The Kenmore BC2005 pet-friendly, lightweight bagged canister vacuum cleaner brings a blend of power and convenience to cleaning tasks, designed specifically with pet owners in mind. Featuring a lightweight build of less than 20 pounds, this model promises maneuverability without sacrificing performance. Thanks to swivel steering, you can effortlessly navigate around furniture and obstacles, reaching those tricky spots that often get missed with heavier models. Its compact design, paired with the retractable 26-foot cord, allows for easy storage and ensures you won't be constantly unplugging as you clean from room to room. But what sets this vacuum apart from others in the same category? When it comes to suction power, the Kenmore BC2005 doesn't disappoint. With 350 watts of cleaning power, this vacuum can handle a variety of surfaces with ease, from carpets to bare floors. The straight suction nozzle, paired with the aluminum telescoping wand, extends to 9.5 feet, allowing for access to difficult areas such as high shelves, under furniture, or tight corners. It's clear that Kenmore put thought into making this model versatile for different cleaning needs, offering an extendable reach for a thorough clean throughout your entire home. And for homes that deal with pet hair, the inclusion of a HEPA filter is a major plus. This filter not only helps to trap dust and allergens, but it also helps maintain a healthier environment, something pet owners will greatly appreciate. The bag design may seem old-fashioned to some, but it still provides excellent performance. Bagged vacuums like this one offer more hygienic disposal of dirt and debris, as the contents are sealed away in a bag, reducing the potential for dust clouds when emptying. Plus, the added convenience of receiving 2 HEPA bags ensures that you're prepared for multiple cleaning sessions before needing a replacement. In terms of attachments, Kenmore includes 3 essential tools that enhance the vacuum's versatility. The bare floor tool is perfect for hard surfaces, while the 3-in-1 combination tool works well for cleaning upholstery, stairs, or other delicate areas. These accessories store neatly on the vacuum itself, so you won't be scrambling to find them when you need them most. And with its lightweight design and swivel steering, the BC2005 is easy to maneuver around your home, providing an effortless cleaning experience. Real-world testing shows that the Kenmore BC2005 excels in everyday use, particularly when cleaning various surfaces. On carpet, its suction is powerful enough to lift embedded dirt and pet hair, ensuring your carpets look fresh and well-maintained. When switching to bare floors, the vacuum continues to impress, picking up fine dust and crumbs without leaving debris behind. The extendable wand also comes in handy for cleaning furniture and car interiors, making this model a truly multi-purpose option for busy homes. While the vacuum performs well in most areas, it's not entirely without its faults. The noise level is somewhat noticeable, especially when operating at full power. And while the 26-foot retractable cord is convenient, you might find it limiting when cleaning larger spaces. Additionally, while the lightweight design is a plus for maneuverability, it may not feel as solid or robust as heavier, more industrial models, and some users might prefer a more powerful vacuum for deep cleaning tasks on thicker carpets. When it comes to value for money, the Kenmore BC2005 strikes a good balance. Priced in the mid-range, it offers solid cleaning performance and a range of practical features. If you're looking for a vacuum that can handle both pet hair and general messes across multiple surfaces, the BC2005 delivers. However, for those in need of a more heavy-duty vacuum, especially for larger homes or deeply soiled carpets, this model might not provide the same level of deep cleaning power as some of its higher-end competitors. Comparing the Kenmore BC2005 with other models in its category, it holds up well. For instance, vacuums like the Shark Navigator Liftaway or the Dyson Ball Animal 2 might offer more suction power or more advanced features, but they come at a higher price point. In comparison, the BC2005 offers solid value with its good performance and lightweight design and useful attachments at a more affordable price. In terms of build quality, the Kenmore BC2005 feels solid for its class, though not as premium as some higher-end models. The aluminum telescoping wand is lightweight yet durable, and the swivel steering works smoothly to provide a seamless cleaning experience. Maintenance is fairly easy, with straightforward instructions for cleaning the filter, brush roll, and emptying the bag. However, those with long hair might find themselves cleaning the brush roll more frequently to prevent tangles. Kenmore's customer service reputation is generally solid, with helpful responses and prompt support, though no direct issues with this vacuum were encountered during testing. For those who might run into problems or need assistance with their vacuum, the company has a decent track record of handling warranty claims and repairs. To sum up, the Kenmore BC2005 is a solid option for pet owners, smaller homes, or those who want a lightweight vacuum with good suction and versatility. It's not the most powerful option on the market, but it gets the job done across a range of surfaces and is easy to use and maintain. If you're looking for a lightweight, bagged vacuum that won't break the bank, the BC2005 is worth considering. However, if you need more powerful suction for deep carpet cleaning or larger spaces, it may be worth exploring higher-end models. If this sounds like the right vacuum for you, check out the product details in the comments below. And if you already own the BC2005, we'd love to hear your experiences. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. Happy cleaning!